Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So I want to go ahead and plant my seed potatoes. So I have the Yukon Gold and the red Norland. So I bought these I think about a month ago. Took them out of the bag and then just placed them in this plastic tubs. I put some potting soil at the bottom and placed them by the window. So they've been chitting. As you can see, they have growth, especially the red ones. They've started to soften, so I want to go ahead and plant them. I'll plant them in containers. So they are 5 each, so I'll plant in one container. I'll plant 3 and then 2 in another container. So for my mix, I'll be reusing this potting mix. I think I planted ginger here last year. That's a good soil, so I'll be reusing that, and I'll be adding some compost. So this is homemade compost. I'll supplement the potting mix with that. And here I think I planted turmeric last year. So anyway, I'll be adding all of this together, and that's going to be the potting mix that I use for the potatoes. I'll also supplement with this is Garden Tone organic fertilizer, so I'll add that as well. So, and I'll use this container. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3. I was going to cut these because you can cut them and have more, but just to be safe, I'll plant them whole. But for one like this where you have 2 different eyes, you can cut in the middle and have 2 and plant those, separate them. But I'll just let them be. I'll plant whole potatoes. So these are both Harley Harvest varieties. So I think they should be ready in 3 months, maybe less than that. But that's the red Norland and the Yukon Gold. Okay, let's go ahead and get this done. I'll start with the Yukon Gold. So for the potting mix, compost mix, I've only put a few inches, I think maybe 4 or 5 inches. I'll put the potatoes in, and then as they grow, I'll add more soil as they grow. So I think in this one, I'll do this 3. The smaller ones. And in this one, I'll do the 2. These are the red Yukons. So 2 are here and 3 are in this tub. So these containers are 5-gallon containers. So I'm hoping that's a good size for the potatoes to grow comfortably. Those are the red. The gold Yukon are over here. This wider one has the 3, and this one has the 2. So as they grow, like I said, as they continue sprouting, I'll add more and more potting mix and compost to them. Okay, I'm done for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.